All of you understood? Again, I
Yes,
am telling.
ma'am.
In
Yes,
January
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2015, it was 3,500. It has been increased by 10%. That means 10% of this. So, number of increased people is equal to 10% of this. We should find this one. Yes, Debolin?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. After that, this increased number of population plus this older one, then only we'll get the new one now. New population.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write this. Acha, write the statement properly first of all, and then you can write the statement of your own, but the meaning must be same. Got it? So number 4th word. Right. In January 2015, the population was 3,500. Done? Acha, it is increased by 10%. So directly I am writing number of increased people. Yes, Tom, is equal to 10% of 3,500. Say yes or no, Shaurdashish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, will we add it?
After finding this increased number, yes. We
Yes.
have to add this to the older number.
Okay. And ma'am, I have written a little bit different that percentage increase in 1 year then is equal to 10%. Then net increase is equal to 10%
Exactly.
of 3,500.
It is net increased, huh? Okay, it will be correct. Acha, now 350. This one is the net increased number of increased people. Now, write the answer. Anushka, keep your camera on. Shafin, keep your camera on. Now the population in January 2016 is equal to. Okay, what will be the answer?
We'll tell it. Ma'am.
That is the question. Who will tell it? Ujan.
Ma'am. Ma'am, 3,850.
Now read the next question. Shaurjashish. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. In a class of 36 students, 27 students were present. Find the percentage of the students who are absent.
Acha, percentage of students who are absent. First, we have to find number of absentee. Yes, though. Look, out of 36 students, 27 were present. So, Anuva, Shuhana, how many students were absent? 36 minus 27, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, 9 students were absent. Acha, this one done to all of you? Anuva, done to this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm clear.
ma'am.
Okay. Now the 5th one. write total number of students is equal to 36.
And I have directly written number of absent students.
Okay. Acha, you have not written the first statement.
No, ma'am, I have only written what I am calculating.
Acha, okay. 25 students were present. Okay.
Ma'am, 27 students were present. 27.
Oh, it was 27. Okay.
27, yes, ma'am.
It looks 7 though. Acha, now students who were absent. Who were absent is equal to show it, huh? Not just directly we will write 9. Okay, just show the subtraction. 9. Now the required percentage. Is equal to, out of 36, 9 students were absent, na? So 9 by 36. And we have to find percentage, so that means into 100%. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shaumoji, Junaid, Riazuddin, Shamia.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, now
what you
find
have
out.
written 9 into?
9 by 36. Why, Shuana? Because absent student 9 though. And total
Yes,
was
ma'am.
36. So 9 by 36, it is already done. Yesterday, this
Okay,
type
ma'am.
of thing. Now 100%. We have to find the percentage now.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
why 100%. Okay, now 9 1 is 9, 4 9, 36. And again, it will be 100 by 4%. That means, Samia, what will be the answer? Tazib,
I am doing, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell?
Rifa, no. Rifa, acha, Mirza, Anushka, Shafin, Orpon, Orgodip, Shayan, keep your camera on. Ashmita, can you say?
Yeah.
Only 25%, na? You cannot divide this one.
Yes, ma'am. I got it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So done. Number 6th one. Junaid, read number 6th
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. A bottle contained 1 liter milk. If 720.5 milliliter of milk was used to prepare cheese, then what percentage of milk was left?
Okay, all of you understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
That means Acha, so just write quantity of milk is equal to 1 liter. Total quantity of milk is equal to 1 liter. That means 1000 milliliter, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I have shown the
Yes, ma'am.
conversion at the part. It will be okay.
Okay, no issue. Acha, now it is asked if 720.5 milliliter milk was used to prepare cheese. Okay. Now write 720.5 milliliter milk was used. Yes, though. So left quantity. What will be left quantity?
1000 minus 720.5 or decimal 5.
Acha, now
I left the class.
Divyanka will say the answer.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say.
I left the class. My phone charge is 25%.
25% means enough. Okay. When it will become 13%, then you will say me, huh?
Yes, ma'am. May I say?
Acha, what will be the this milliliter? Huh? Yes, Divyanka say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be 279.5 milliliter.
Yes. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are saying, you will say to yes. Have you checked? No. Acha, okay. Now this milliliter. This is the left quantity. Now the question is asked, what percentage of the milk was left? But this one we have find out. This is not percentage, na? This is the quantity. This milliliter of was left. Yes, no. We have percentage. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. By 1000 into 100.
Acha, now look at this. The required percentage is equal to 279.5 1000 Shuhana under.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, acha, this 20 will be cancelled out. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, then
Next.
decimal will move to one place left.
Good. That means it will be 27.9%. Okay. Why this percent? Acha, why one place? So for this 0, decimal will move one place to the left side. It is 27.9%. Ujan, read the next question. Question number 7.
Ma'am, but it will be 27.95%, I think.
Acha, here is 5. Yes, very good. Acha, after decimal, not 95. 95, okay? Yes, Ujan.
Oh, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, please erase the screen. Ma'am, I forgot to take my book.
Bye. वाह, very good. Shaurjashish, read the next one.
Okay, ma'am. Mid scored 2,500 points in a game. Success scored 90% of his score, and Ravi scored 60% of success scored. Find the points scored by Ravi.
Acha, look. First it is given the score of seed. Seed score is 2,500 points. Yes, to.
Yes, ma'am. 2,500.
Sakshi scored 90% of this. That means 90% of 2,500. Yes or no? Now we can easily find out these points, this score. Yes or no? Say yes or
Yes,
no.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
after
90 by
finding-
1,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after finding this, now it is given Ravi scored 60% of Sakshis. That means we have to put this one here, 60% of this. Yes or no? Then we
Yes,
can get
ma'am.
Ravi score. All of you understood? Anuva, Anushka,
Yes, ma'am.
Soumajit, Shuhana, Yash, Tajib.
Yes,
Tajib, Orpon, okay.
Yes,
Paritra is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shinjini, Riyajuddin, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Now write seed score. Okay. Right. Directly I am writing, huh? Success score. Amitrajit is absent today.
Yes, ma'am. He is absent.
Acha, 90 by 100 into 2,500. This 20 will be cancelled out. Now 9 into 25. It will
Ma'am,
be
may I go
say,
to washroom?
okay, go and come first, huh? 9
Okay,
into
ma'am.
25. It will be this one.
2250.
2 to 5, and then this 0 will be automatically same. Okay. Acha, these points. Now look at this. Ravi scored 60% of this score. So directly I am writing Ravi score is equal to 60%. Who is talking? Yes, to.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Debolin, you will say the answer.
Ma'am, direct answer or the card cancellation?
Card cancellation to I have done.
Oh,
Now
okay,
just
ma'am.
normal the multiplication.
Yes, ma'am. It will be 225 into 6, which is equal to 1,500, 350.
1,500, 350
No,
means
no,
what?
no. 1,350.
Acha.
1350, ma'am. That's 500 I mistakenly told.
Oh, I thought these type of numbers are there. 1,300, 500. Yes, to Debolin?
No, ma'am. No number that
Acha,
in
okay,
that
okay,
name.
very good. Acha, this one is correct. Shaurjashish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ujan, I think from you the noises are coming. Better mute yourself. Huh? Yes, good. Acha, done? Acha, Ipshita is there? No, I think. Orpon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Orpon, read the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 8.
Yes, which is more, 40% of 500 or 50% of
Acha,
300?
these type of questions are very much important for FA2 exam. Huh? Acha, up to this, all of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
I'm clearing the screen. Huh? Look at this. Number 8 one. Which one is more? 40% of 500. First find 40% of 500. This one is very easy question. Orpon, not Orpon, Shamia, say the answer. 40% of 500.
40% of 500. Ma'am, I have to do the sum.
Do it first. I am waiting.
Ma'am, I can tell.
No. Acha, Orgodip is there. Orgodip.
Yes, ma'am.
Orgodip, calculate it and do the next one
Ma'am,
also.
200.
What will be 200? Acha, good. Acha, next. Next one is given 30%, 50% of 300, na? Orgodip, do this one.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Okay, go and come first.
Okay, ma'am.
This is more easier than that one also.
Anushka,
Yes, very easy.
Shinjini,
Ma'am, very easy, ma'am.
what will be in the next line? 50 by 100? Yes, say.
Ma'am, 150.
Exactly. These 20 will be cancelled out. 3 5s are 50. Now, which one is more? 200 or 150?
200.
200. So it
that
will be
means
40% of
200 is
500.
bigger than 150.
Exactly. That means 40% of 500. You have to write this one. Huh? Which one is given in question? Is greater than 30%. Acha, not 30. 50% of 300. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rifa understood Oishi, Shine
Yes,
and Mirza.
Yes, ma'am.
Ipshita, you joined late.
No, ma'am, I was there, but for network problem, 5 minutes just I disconnected.
Acha, okay. Shafin, Tuhinur and Oishi. Keep your camera on, beta. Acha, now the next one. Riazuddin, read the next question. Number 9. Riazuddin. Are you able to hear me? Acha, Rifa, can you read the next one? Number 9. You have the book though? Is there any network issue? Rifa, keep
Ma'am,
your
I
camera
can
on.
read.
Acha,
Ma'am, I
okay,
can read.
Yes, read.
Dear that 300 orange of orange are sold. How many orange are left in the biscuit? Find the present
of
total number of so,
yes, ma'am.
okay, and 60% of it sold. Acha, now look at this. Do the next one. Divyanka, total number of maybe there is network issue today. Even I cannot hear properly. But I cannot hear you properly.
And me also.
Acha, 60% of 300 orange. Were sold? Yes, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
That is equal to 60.
Yes, ma'am.
That 60%. 60% sold means
I have done it that only.
is 40%. That way, that will be more easier. But here, two questions are asked now. And one by one, I am maintaining the order. That's why I have done in this way. Look, first question, it is asked, number of oranges which were not sold. Yes, so left in basket. And second one, the percentage. But if we do in that way, that 40% were not sold, then we are finding out the second answer first now. Yes, to Divyanka, Devoli.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why you will have to maintain the order, okay? Basically, for this, no marks is deducted, but that is the rule, okay? Acha, okay, now look, 180 oranges. So, from whom the noises are coming? Left in the basket. Divyanka, check to from whom the noises are coming.
Ma'am, Anushka Maiti. I have checked. Anushka Maiti.
Debolin is smart enough, no?
No, ma'am. From that time only. I was
Anushka,
checking when you asked.
keep your camera on and mute yourself. Acha, Oishi understood too. Left will be what? 300 minus 180.
Yes, ma'am.
That is equal to 120. Yes. Now we have to find the percentage. Required percentage. $120 by total. That is 300
Into 100%.
into 100%. Okay.
Ma'am, is it 100%?
Whatever you have understood though. Samia, you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Shayan, sit properly. Only I can see your fan. Acha, look, this 20 will be cancelled out. 3 4s are 12. This 0. That means 40%. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, up to 9 I have done. How many questions are left? 11 probably, no?
Yes, ma'am. 10 to
Yes,
20.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll try to complete percentage before Monday, huh?
And ma'am, you can give some homework also. That some problems come in homework.
Basically,
Yes,
number
ma'am.
10.
These are so
No,
easy.
not from your book. Okay, I'll give some homework from other book. Okay.
Check the homework.
Yes, I'll send in the assignment section. Okay. And your submission date will be on Monday. Got it?
Okay.
Total 1 exercise I'll give you, from R.S. Agarwal book. Okay, acha, now look at this. Acha, 11 questions are left. Okay, maximum on Monday. Okay, it will be completed. Then I'll start geometry. Okay. Acha, everyone have understood? Just confirm it. Whether all of you
Yes,
understood or
ma'am.
not.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let
Yes,
me take
ma'am.
the name. You'll
Yes,
show me your
ma'am.
copy. Divyanka already shown. Acha. Divyanka, show it in everyone can see it. This is called protector. Okay.
Ma'am, this.
Yes, this one. Protector. Okay. For the measurement of angles, we need it.
And degrees, ma'am. For the measurement of angles and degrees.
Angles in degrees. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In degree. Degree is the unit. Okay, beta. Acha, now let me check the copies.